In this video, I'll show you how to create a physical therapy evaluation in HelloNote using a saved template. Start by creating a new patient profile. Fill in the name, date of birth, address, phone number, email, insurance details, and emergency contact. Then save the profile. Next, go to the Notes tab and create a new case. Set the profile to basic, enter the case title, select the primary insurance, and assign your physical therapy therapist. Add the past medical history, reason for referral, and diagnosis. Making sure to add the diagnosis to both medical diagnosis and treatment diagnosis. Save the case. Now open the note list, click the drop-down arrow on New Note, and this time select Pick Evaluation Template. Choose your saved template from the list. The system loads it instantly, and you'll see the clinical content already filled in across every tab. On the Assessment tab, the diagnosis, past medical history, and reason for referral are all pre-populated from the case. Review the subjective complaint and update it to reflect this specific patient's experience. This is the main field you'll always personalize since it's the patient's own words. On the Functional Deficits tab, the template has already documented the key limitations. If this patient's situation is different, for example, a different side of pain or a different activity limitation, update those fields to match. Everything else stays as the template filled it. On the Underlying Impairments tab, the pain location, objective findings, and selected tests are pre-filled. Adjust the severity ratings and any values that are specific to this patient, like pain scores or range of motion measurements, and update the objective comments accordingly. The Treatment Plan tab is where you'll see the biggest time savings. Goals, components of evaluation, recommended treatment codes, prognosis, frequency, and duration are all pre-populated. Review each one, make any patient-specific adjustments, and move on. On the Billing tab, update the assessment statement to reflect this patient's specific presentation. Enter the minutes and units for the treatment codes performed today. Once all required fields are complete, click Actions, then Finalize. Confirm the date, click Yes, and the note is done. And that's how you use a saved template to complete a physical therapy evaluation in HelloNote.